Ole in zawain chi bai vek ole voinia chuan in set some terms of related to set kan zir dona. Today we are going to study about some terms of set. Ama sabera chuan in empty set ania. Empty set omzia chu achu set reng khan in element nei lau member nei lau shim oh chu empty set ani null set ti in kan kau boka tin void set kan ti boka. It is denoted by hi chuanin kan share ding apoi mo ni chu it is denoted by empty set kan denote na kha kan share nga ya empty set kan denote na kan share lau kha chuani. Okay, so we denoted by phi phi in kan denote ani chuanin a set which has at least one element is called a non-empty set. Atiboka a set which has at least one one item i set a set chunga han member anei chuanin chu set a chu non-empty set ani set draw kan lau ti na ni a set which have an element one or more than element which is called non-empty set. Chuanin as you see this example, hey here we have a natural number which natural number x is greater than 2 but less than 3. So we don't have any member between 2 and 3. Natural number 2 le 3 in kara han natural number engma omlo ani chan chu 2 zo natural number chu 3 ani. In a natural number we have 1 2 3 4 up to infinity. So we don't have any natural number between 2 and 3. So this is a empty set. Okay, hey non-empty set ania null set ania void set ani bokani heta po ani veka haita hianin non-empty set omzia khain chia chua empty set ti omzia khain chia chuanin non-empty set nge ni ti khain she don ani singleton set omzia chu a set containing exactly one element is called singleton set. This is an example of a singleton set. He can end one in 0 is as you see this set we have only one member or element which is 0 chi akha a member emo a element dakha kan nei ani chu ti ani awang chuanin hei chu singleton set ani entir nanin hela hi kan en leng hei chu kan shevek to ta ni. Here we have a natural number. So x is a natural number. This value of x need to be the square will be 4. Tutini chuanin natural number zinga a square chu a square 4 ani thaina tur chuanin 2 ani nga ani. In order to find out this 4 we have a natural number 2 khan nge nga ni tutini chuan 2 square chu 4 ania natural number is 1 2 3 4 ani tani up to infinity ni tani entir nanin minus te plus te khani theilau ti na ni chu ta po 1 chawan ya member kha chuti ni chuan singleton set ani example khanang manin atam zo kha chuin lau en veang finite and infinite sets ati chuanin an empty set or non-empty set in which the process of counting elements squarely comes to an end is called finite set tatita empty set emo non-empty set amo set ruak amo set member nai kha non-empty set ate kha thataka kan count thai kha atop nai hei atop om kan count thai reng exam nge achunga hian set om ti kan count thai reng kha finite set tania chuan kan count thai mi alo hau kha uncountable is infinite set. So the countable of an empty or non-empty set is called finite set, but uncountable set is called an infinite set. Here the example we have the six member ani chuanin paruk kan ti ta ni kan count thei ti na ni kan count thei ti na ni chu tapo kan enanga b is the set of all English alphabet. In the English alphabet we have 26 alphabet. We can count all the English alphabet from the beginning, a b c d e f and so on. Englau a b c d e f ti kha kan count thei vek 1 2 3 4 5 6 26 theng chu ti ni chuanin finite set ani chuan the set of all person on the earth is a finite set. Mishing om zong zong all mishing om zong zong khovela mishing om zong zong kha kan count thei ani a chan chu hei census mang te khanin kan count thei chuanin a set of all animals on the earth it is a finite set ti ni ta a enge khovela animal zong zong hi finite set ani animal zong zong ti in khatia han kan count thei tur khanin zong zong ti na ron da ni chuanin amairo chu infinite set a chuanin the set of all points on the arc of the circle is an infinite set. All points of an arc of a circle roditani arc a circle arca enge arc chin khamo circle arc zong zong point te kha infinite set ani until now we don't know how many arcs are there in a triangle. They don't give how much arc are there in a triangle. Exact nge arc kha sorry are there in a circle. Okay, circle chunga khanin exact nge a ti khamiron shil lawani chu ti ni chuanin kha set chunga khanin arc point kha exact nge ti kha kan she thei lawani chu ti ni chuanin infinite sets ani the sets of all points line segment is an infinite set. Line segment they didn't give how many line segments are there in a circle. So we cannot count how many line segments in a circle chunga khanin exact line segment nge a ti kha kan count thai lo achan chu line segment chu mi zat a thai diameter te shang kha lo thai kan shelawani chu wang chuan infinite set ani adang po hi ani veka hai anwai mi hi lo chiar chhun zo manga chuanin equal sets kan soi lenga the non-empty sets a and b are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements. We write a is equal to b. The set a and b are said to be equal. Ma se a and b the non-empty set an ni nge yangai in order to find out equal set a and b needs to be non-empty set. Non-empty set an ni nge kha anga yani chuanin the elements of a set may be list in any order rondita heta kan hmu thei dan tur chuanin the hemi hi kan hmunga entirnanin a and b kha hai 1 2 3 2 1 3 3 2 1 ti te kha an element te kha ain ang vekani amai ro chu a place kha in ang lo mai ani. All the elements are equal but the place is different an omna mun kha ain ang lawani entirnan 3 kha heta oma 2 kha heta omda ya ti khan omna mun kha in tha ain ang lawa amai ro chu achunga omte kha in an chuanin equal sets ani chuan hei kan han en le chuanin hei hi avain ang lo om ve kan tia but in these sets we don't have a repetition elements. We can write through 1 in hemi enge 1 pani aya hianin 1 ti top kha kan ziak thai instead of both 2 1 we can write 1 and those two elements 2 and 2 we can write 2 hay ta po 3 kan ziak thai hemi ne nei ang chi atina ni su set cha chuanin repetition element kha kan nei thei lo ani chuanin hai equal set then khate chu ni hai example kha chu in lo en ve mai nga equivalent set kan ti chuanin a and b are said to be equivalent ani chuanin number of a equal to number of b are equal. Equal sets are always equivalent. Equivalent set need not to be equal. Equivalent set a chuanin I aneng lawa te kha enge an element te kha ain an kherangai law hai ain an kherangai law ain equal kherangai law but the number of element need to be equal. So as you see this example, this element we will count this element 1 2 3. Here 1 2 3. So both of the two sets element is equal. Number of elements is equal. 3 3 and ni chu ti ni chuan equivalent set chu an set chunga number te kha in an ve ka ngai lo amai ro chu ain an ve ka ngai lo amai ro chu a number a kha ain tlu ka ngai ani chuan exercise a kan lu tang now we will solve some exercise. Which one of the following example of the null set? Example of the null set kha enge ni ti kha kan pick out tang let us check question number 1. Set of odd natural numbers, this is numbers divisible by 2. Set of all natural number divisible by 2. All the odd number is 1 2 3 5 7 9 up to infinity. So all those odd number cannot divisible by 2. Kami odd number zong zong te chu odd number chu 2 in a sem thai lo zong ania chu wang chuanin hai hi empty set ani. We don't have any member, so this is a null set. Null set means empty set. Chuan hai kan en chuanin x belongs to n ania. X belongs to natural number. X is a natural number which is greater than 1 but less than or equal to 2. So this means 2. Greater than 1, less than or equal to 2. Ani chuan 1 ai lian ma se I 2 tel si 2 ai te zong 2 huamin 2 ai te zong ti na ni chuan chu ti ni chuanin less than or equal to omzia chu 2 ai te zong ma se 2 telin ti na ni. It have one member elements. It is a null set because greater than 1 means greater than 1 is true. This is equal to means 2 is included here. So we have only one member, so it cannot be null set. Ta chuanin x is a prime number ontia. Prime number means divisible by one and only number. 90, between 90 and 96 we have all those number 91 92 93 94 95. All those number is not a prime number. All those number is not a prime number. One le ama chau hi in sem thai law ni they have a more than one factor, more than so 2 factor. So all those are not a prime number. Prime number and the love ani chuanin we don't have a prime number between 90 and 96. So this is a empty set. Chutini chuan hai chu empty set alo nia null set kan ti thei ta ti na ni chu null set kan ti thei ti ta ti na ni chu chuanin d a chuan x belongs to n x square plus 1 equal to 0 eroni ta ni x is a natural number ania chuan natural number zinga 1 plus 1 engemaw a 1 engemaw square a 1 kan bel chuanin 0 ron chuak thai ani dia in this a natural number is a 1 2 3 4 up to infinity so 1 square is 1 but 1 plus 1 will not be 0 and then 2 square are also 4 4 plus 1 will not be 0 so we don't have any member hemi a hianin hemi ron chuak thai 0 ron chuak thai kha member kan nei lo shim shim ani chuti ni chuanin hei chu null set alo ni ta ni I heta chuan member we cannot have a member or elements chuti ni chuanin I hei chu null set ani null set alo ni ta ni chuan number 6 kan ena 8 kan en le chuanin f is equal to x belongs to q 1 x belongs to q q means a rational number rational number chu class 8 vela in shia thiam to karinga the rational number is the form of p by q where q does not equal to 0 q can be 1 so all those natural number are also rational number all the natural number zong kha I rational number ani ve thei vek ani chu chan chu an hnuaiah khan uan a awm ve thei vek ti na ni chu mizo chong hrithiam lo then khan awmawangin soi zel zo ngai thina chuanin heta chuanin kan enanga 1 and 2 means 1 le 2 in karami ani chuanin 1.5 1.1 1.2 1.3 1.4 1.5 1.6 kha kan zong don ani so this here is 1.53 by 2 is 1.59 by 8 is also 1.1 so this is a two members we can have another member so we put like this etc okay chuan chuti ni chuanin we have a more than one element kan nei photani one element ai tam kan nei ni tuna hian chuti ni chuanin hei chu null set ani lo chon hei po kan en chuanin hei element pakhat kan nei a I null set ani thaila we have one element it cannot be a null set so the null set means empty set if the equation put inside the bracket phi this is a phi khalo ni ta si chuanin phi kha chu I null set entir na kha ni ta chuan chuti ni se chuanin I heta khanin kan put thai ti na ni but this question have a member which is 0 it have a one element so it cannot be null set chuan number 2 kan en le chuanin x belongs to z tanya z means integer chu in short belto kajringa I hope you all familiar what is integer number is here minus infinity to plus infinity so minus positive and negative natural number with 0 so hemi kan en chuan x square kan ti a 4 ron chuangai so here as you see here 2 square minus 2 square means 4 plus 2 square means 4 plus 2 square to 4 ani singleton set kan test don but we have a two member so it cannot be a singleton set chuan next kan en liang. We shall move on. Question number 3. Question number 2, sub number 3. X belongs to Z. Modulus of x is equal to 1. Z means integer, which is we all know that Z is integer. Integer number po kan siya sa vekin siya hey integer number anya. Here is an integer number. So modulus of 1 means minus 1 will be plus 1. So the plus 1 will also be plus. Okay, so minus 1. As you put here minus 1, we can answer this one. As we put this plus 1, we can answer this one. So we can have a true member. Member pa ni kan nai thai don ti na ni chu hai here and here. As you put the values of x modulus here, we can answer 1 from this true member. So the set is minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 le plus 1 set kan nai chuan in we have a true elements more than 1. So it cannot be a singleton set. Chuan hay kan en liang. Number 3 kan en 4 kan en le chuan in 5 zo kan hi x is an even prime number around the x is an even prime number. Even prime number. We have a even prime number. Chung te chu even prime number kan nai te kha chu even number chu 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 ania. Even prime number kan nai chun chu 2 ania. 2 is a prime number. This is the smallest prime number from the whole number, natural number. Chuan natural number atanga smallest prime number kan nai thei te kha ni a hai hi chu ti ni chuan in kan enanga chu ai lian reng kha chu in a sem thei vek to wangin larger than 2 is 2 can be divisible by 2, so it cannot be a prime number. Only 2 is a even prime number from the natural number. 2 hi even number chang chuan in prime number kan nai thei chuna ni a chu ti ni chuan in so the set is true alo ni ta ni. Set chu true chi alo ni thei ta. The set is able to chu chau kha lo ni thei ta ni chuan chu ti ni chuan we have only one elements. So this is a singleton set. We have only one elements. Chuan hay kan en lenga which of the following pairs of equal sets as you see this question, set of all letters in the what alloy ALLOY. All these set elements cannot be repeat. A repeat thai lo shim ani elements are reng chuan a repeat thai lo ani. We cannot have a repetition elements. So we can write A L. We have a two repetition letters. We can write the two letters. We can write instead of the two letters L. Chuan in O Y a repeat thei lo ka ti to kha chuan heta po we can write L O Y A. Can you write L? No, because this is a we already write it down here. Ta hian in kan ziak thla to ni. So we cannot write again. Kan zia chunram thei to lo ni ta hian chu ti ni chuan in loyal ti kha L O Y A ti chau kha kan la thei don ni chu ti ni chuanin hei chu 1 2 3 4 nia ni bai ba ka A L O Y all the members is the same members, okay? So this is an exactly same elements ani chuanin equal set ani mai chuan heta chuanin E is X belongs to Z. X belongs to Z. Z means a integer. Z to integer ani. Integer ani chuanin minus infinity to plus infinity ni maya with 0 0 tiam khanin chuan chumia chuan kan zon mu tur chu heta chuan x square is less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4 means less than 4 including 4, the number 4, because it is equal to. Chutini chuanin minus 2 square. Minus 2 square is 4, which is less than or equal to 4. Right? Chuanin minus 2 square to 4 ani chu less than or equal to ani chuan 4 ayate 4 tiamin ani chu ti ni chuanin 4 ayate 4 tiamin ti ni chuanin hei hi 4 lo ni don ta ni so 1 square po 1 ani which is less than 4, so minus 1 can be the elements of E. Chuanin 0 square po kha 0 nia hai z kan ti to kha 0, also less than 4. Chuanin 1 square po 1 nia 2 square are also 4. All those member here and hey this hey po khang zong kha hemi member hin ni thei ta ni. Chuan as you see here hai kan in chuanin x belongs to z chu natural integer thawani. Integer te kha x square equal to 4. We have only two member as you put instead of x we can answer 4. Hemi aya ing number mo kan puta hemi lo kan answer kan mu thaina kha chu number pahnian chian those number is minus 2n plus 2. Hey, minus 2n plus 2 we can answer 4. Hey le hemi chia ron chua khanin 4 ron chua kani chu ti ni chuanin hei chu minus 2n minus 2 ani ta ni. So as you compare here 2 so this is a different element. Those two elements cannot be equal, so some elements is elements te kha ain ang lawani, some elements are different, okay? Chuan hai kan in lenga number 6 kha j is equal to 2 3. K is equal to x. X belongs to z. X square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Heta chuanin j is a given set. It need not to be find out. Hai chu kan zong chua kang hai chu. This is a given here integer number is, we already know that here is an integer number, okay? Chuan hai hi ni chuanin as you put as you put true here instead of x, okay? X I can put chuanin we can answer this 0 here, okay? So this set member is this set member we can put minus 2 here. So and then as you put here this minus 3 instead of x. So we can answer 0 here, the given question here. So we can put minus 3 are also the members of K. 3 kha 2 hai helai chunga mi hi kan puta xi kan put thianin 0 kan calculate 0 aron chua theina kha number kha kan jong chuak don ti na nia chon minus 2 he mi ai kan put po khanin 0 ron chuak thaya minus 3 kan put pon 0 ron chuak thaya ni chu ti ni chuan minus 2 le minus 3 chu ke elements an ni don ti na ni chu so those two members are different. It cannot be equal. So number 4 ka kan en lenga. Which of the following pairs of equivalent set tia equivalent set ka kan zong chuak don ani. As you see here, all the what members and all the members or elements is not equal. Here all the members are different, but the numbers of those members are equal. Why? This is 1, 2, 3. The numbers of set A is 3. The numbers of set B are also 1, 2, 3. We can count 3. So this is equivalent set. Kan han count khanin hai khat ni thum mania hai po khat ni thum equivalent set om zia chu pathum an ni ve a chu ti ni chuanin equivalent set ani a but not equal. Equivalent set te khan in puk kher khan mo lo ni ma se chuanin hai hi kan en le bokanga last question ani chuan let me check. X belongs to n. X belongs to natural number. X is a natural number which is less than 4. Natural number less than 4 is 1, 2, 3. We can count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then integer. The set of D is integer. X belongs to Z means integer which is greater than 0 but less than not equal to. This is less than only. Less than 4 means between 0 and 4 we have an integer which is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 here. This is this is equal. Not equal ni law equal to this is an 1, 2, 3. Hey kalausiak suala ni hi we can correct this not in siam thatayang chuanin 1, 2, 3 ania. This here also 1, 2, 3. So this is a equivalent set. This hey po equal to it's need to be correct. Hey equal to tinga hey po equal nota karon da changa karon ziak changa. I will write it correct answer in your notes. Chuan question number in nang mani in lo homework to question number 5 kha karon in puyang chu hi countable le finite set or infinite set ani maron tia set of all triangles in a plane hi count thein ron zia kem can you count a set of all triangles in a plane? Yes or no? If you answer yes, we can write finite. If you answer no, you can write infinite. Ani count thaya in ti ni chuan in finite in zia kanga count thai lawe in ti ni chuan infinite in zia kang chuan in set of all points of circumference of a circle. Can you in Shetayam are you able to know all the points of circumference of circle reng ki or the circle made up of tam lutuk 1,000 points. We don't know how many points are there in a circumference of a circle. Engzat tam nge kha kan she seng lau khang how in asiam ania. Chu in count thei chuanin finite tin zia kanga. If you can count, you can write finite. If you are not able to, you can write infinite. Chuanin C. 2. The set of all parallel true y exists. The set of all leaves on a tree. Chuanin the set of all positive integers greater than 500. Positive integers greater than 500 ka in thiar thayem, in count thayem. Chuanin heng zong kha in ron ti nga. Can you count the set of all positive integer greater than 500? If you can count, we will write finite. If we cannot count, we will write infinite. Khachu in lau nang mani in lau tianga hey in homework tour hey 5 in home assignment tour. Hey in home assignment tour ni boka. Rewrite the following statement using set notation. Set notation mangkhan in ziakang, which is element. A is an element of a set A. Arondita A is an element of a set A means element. The sign of element means here. This is the sign of element. Not elements means we can write not elements is here. Ani lau chuan ti khan in ziakang. A is an empty set, B is not empty set. And empty set ka enge a eng lau kha. Hai hin ya. Non empty set ani chuanin eng lau in da mai don ani. Here is a C. Here is a empty set. Empty set notation. We can write here. This is non-elements. We can write this is elements. This question number 6 will be going to your homework. Hai in homework ani do na chu wang chuanin in lau en uluk deuh hle ka ngamo. Chuanin hei po the number of an elements in A is 60 nia. A is 6 ania. A elements to 6 ani engting nge is yang chu. A question e eng lau en to lau en lau ula ai answer C chakha en lutuk lau turania in sha thiam ve ngai in sha thiam dan kha in ron zia chua ngai. If you understand here, you can write how eng tiang che inge izon chua ti kha I zia ngai how ti kha and why more. If you answer here, this is we need to write why. Eng tin nge eng wangin nge ti kha izia ngai. Chuan 0 is a whole number but not a natural number. You can don't look here answer. But if you look this answer, if you able to know this answer, you need to write how this is a whole number. 0 is a whole number but a natural number. 0 ka whole number ani natural number engtin nge ni ti kha. How 0 will be a 0 is a natural whole number but not a natural number ti kha. Engtin nge ni thai ti kha iron zia chua ngai. Iron zia chua tel nge ngai ti na ni chu. Kha voina ta na kan zir thai chu ni Sha thiam lo in nei chuanin min zo tanga in home assignment chung chang po sha thiam lo in nei chuanin min zo tanga chuanin I uluk takin in lo ziranga kha ti zong kha voina ta na kan zir thei ti chu ni Thank you for cooperate with me, okay?